Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be reviewing basic neural communication. To begin, neuron communication within the central nervous system is facilitated chemically or electrically. Within the neuron, this communication is facilitated electrically. Between neurons, this communication is facilitated chemically. When we think about this from the perspective of psychopharmacology, all drugs and substances that can activate neurons in the brain or central nervous system and thus affect communication among neurons are classified as either endogenous or exogenous. Endogenous substances, such as insulin, adrenaline, or endorphins, come from within the body. Exogenous substances, such as vitamins, herbs, caffeine, and medications, are produced outside the body and introduced into the body in some manner. Receptor sites on the postsynaptic membranes of dendrites are most common targets of medications that can activate their respective cells. That action begins when a receptor is stimulated by a neurotransmitter. If enough receptors are stimulated at one time, an electrical impulse, also called an action potential, travels along the axon towards the terminal button. Because an electrical signal or impulse is unable to cross the synapse, the transmission of the signal across the synapse depends on chemical messengers or these neurotransmitters. After the electrical impulse reaches the terminal buttons, a neurotransmitter is then released. Then it travels from the presynaptic membrane of the terminal button across the synapse to the postsynaptic membrane of another neuron's dendrites, where it may interact. The postsynaptic membrane of the dendrite contains numerous receptors that receive the chemical signal and then activate the postsynaptic cell, allowing it to transmit again. And I hope this basic breakdown of neural communications helped you today. In the next video in this series, we will explore the electrical and chemical properties of neural transmission. And don't forget to please subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. See you next time. Take care.